Assalamualaikum and very good morning to uh, Sir Hadi bin Kamardin and we all from Group 2. So today we will present about our assignment, and for my overview, there are two interesting takeaways from the study. The first is that there are a major contradiction between how we measure talent and the cost of talent. In general, we measure talent using tests of maximal performance. Instead, success in the real world depends on sustained performance, on being able to work hard at practice. Those are all versions of deliberate practice, and our ability to engage in such useful exercise largely depends on level of grit. The second takeaway involves the growing recognition of non-cognitive skills like grit and self-control. While such traits have little or nothing to do with intelligence, as measured by IQ score, they often explain a large share of individual variation when it comes to life success. Okay, my name is Fatin Fadlina binti Mak Desa, matric number 201352 as a student 1, and I choose for my paralinguistic or non-verbal feature is intonation. At times reference 8 seconds to 10 seconds, the description of scenes, the speaker intonation on the word teaching. Teaching is a demanding job and need to manage something. And the intention of the speaker is in intonation, the word teaching is to indicate that she always make quiz, test, homework, assignment for her student. For the 25 to 30 the description of scene, the speaker intonation on the word struck. She struck when that IQ was not the only difference between my best and my worst student. The intention of the speaker in intonation the word struck. Sorry, the intention of the speaker in intonation the word struck is to indicate IQ was not the only difference between the best and the worst students. After that, she was graduate school and become psychologist which studies kids and adults with super challenging to know who success and what the reason. And last but not least, for the intonation for 1 minute 2 seconds to 1 minute 50 seconds, the speaker intonation on the word great. Great is sticking with your future day in, day out, and not just for the week or month, but for years. The intention of the speaker in intonation the word great is to make a future become reality in case to grow mindset in case it can change by effort. Okay, that's all from me.
Hi, my name is Nurul Najia binti Muhammad Saifuddin as a student 2, matric number 201216. Next, I will share about my paralinguistic or nonverbal feature about pause. Okay, first time reference 4 minutes until 9 minutes. For description of scheme, the speaker pauses on the teaching in this sentence for a job that was even more demanding teaching. Okay, the intonation of the speaker is pausing the word teaching to indicate that the speaker is waiting for other audience to pay attention to her. Okay, second, time reference 21 minutes until 25 minutes. For description of scheme, the speaker pauses in the middle on grades. In this sentence, when the work come back, I calculate grades. The intonation of the speaker in pauses, the word grades that the speaker is thinking of what to say next speech. Okay, for the last pause, time reference 58 minutes until 11 minutes. description of skin, the speaker pauses on the word great after she said that it was not good looks, physical health, and it was not IQ, it was great in this sentence. Okay, the intonation of the speaker in pauses, the word great is to indicate that she wants to deliver her feeling and to make it easier for an audience to understand. That's all for me.
Hi, my name is Noor Aisha Yasmin binti Ajrai. My metric number is 203616. The paralinguistic non-variable feature that I choose is stress pattern and rhythm. From 8 seconds to 10 seconds, the speaker stressed on the word teaching in the sentence for a job that wasn't more demanding teaching. The intention of the speaker in stressing the word teaching is syllable stress in order to define the word and its function. Next, from 53 seconds to 1 minute, the speaker stressed on word wasn't in the sentences predator of success and it wasn't social intelligent. The intention of speaker in stressing the word wasn't is to determine the rhythm of the synthesis. From 1 minute 2 seconds to 1 minute 6 seconds, the speaker stressed on the word passion. In the sentences of grief is passion. The intention of speaker in stressing the word passion is to draw attention to the most important phrase or clause in a sentence or the most important sentences in long speech. Next.
For me, my name is Muhammad Najmi bin Japri and my matrix number is 200701 as a student 4. I choose the paralinguistic and nonverbal feature. My choice is body gesture. The time reference for 39 second to 43 second. The description of scenes. The speaker of body gestures on the all kinds in the sentence. I studying kids and adult in all kinds of super challenging settings. The intention of the speaker in body gestures on the all kinds to inform audience that she started her psychologist career with study the children and the adult behavior. Next, for the 1 minute, 10 second to 1 minute 23 seconds, the speaker body gestures on the words future in the sentence sticking with your future. The purpose speaker body gesture on the word future is to image the duration to make a future become a reality. And the lastly is for the time reference 1 minute 43 seconds to 1 minute 47 seconds. The this description of the scene, the speaker body gesture on the word ability in the sentences of the ability to learn in a not fit. The aim of the speaker body gesture, the word ability, to tell the ability can change with our efforts. Next.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Syamil binti Abdurrani. My matric number 204882. Okay. Per English, your contact 38 seconds until 42 seconds. The speaker your contact to become a psychology. I study in adult in all kids. Intonation of the speaker in ear contact on the two indicate there is not someone we would think it is a before image price is the either the image price in the before. Next, 2 minutes until 2 minutes 9 seconds. The speaker your contact will not believe the future is permanent connection to growth mindset is a great idea. The intonation of the speaker in your context on the condition uh, to with effort. Next, 2 seconds, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and until 2 minutes, 37 seconds. The speaker ears contact to start over again will doesn't limit in other words, we need to be great about greeting our kids. The intonation of the speaker in eyes contact on the we to be would indicate there is not someone else who thinks. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you. That's all from us.